In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Moneygram coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Moneygram coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Wildilo, and as you can see right here, we have a list with some codes that we can use to get some discounts and special offers. So, for example, if you want to get this one with 20% off fees, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says get code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply select this button to copy the promo code and use it in order to get a 20% discount off fees on your transfers on MoneyGram. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Coupon Today. So right here, as you can see, we also have a list with some promo codes that we can use. So let's say, for example, you want to get this one right here. All you need to do is just select the code, and we'll have to wait a little bit for the promo code to load up right here. So I'm just going to wait a little bit. And right here, this is the promo code. So uh, all you need to do is just copy this promo code right here, and you can go forward and use them. So you can also select this button, try all codes, and you'll receive a bunch of other codes that you can use. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.